Hello and welcome back to this course. Today in this video we are going to discuss about the encapsulation. Encapsulation is the pillar of the OOP, and encapsulation in Java is a mechanism of wrapping variables and codes acting on the data together as a single unit. Encapsulation means we create some instance variables and the member functions, and when we wrap up in a single unit, then that thing is called the encapsulation. It leads to data hiding but not data hiding. It is also a way of restricting access to the certain properties of the component. Now, data hiding means that we make our members private so that no one can access them. So, encapsulation can be achieved by making member variables private and by creating getters and setters public so that we can access the values of the member variables that we have made the private. Now, what are the benefits of the encapsulation? With encapsulation, the fields of the class can be made read-only or write-only. How we can do that, we will discuss about it in our NetBeans definitely. And a class have a total control over what is stored in the fields. These are the two benefits of the encapsulation. So let's create a program to implement the encapsulation in Java. So first of all, here I am going to create a class with the name, you can say student. And now in this slide, we have read that we can achieve the encapsulation by making our instance variables private. So I type here private string name and private int roll number, private int fee, like this. And the second point was by making our getters and setters public. First of all, I type here setters. I type here public. You can also make the constructor, but for this video, I'm going to skip this and go to the setters. I type here public void set name string name. This dot name equals to name, and then public void set roll number int roll number. This dot roll number is equal to roll number. And the third one is public void set fee and int fee. This dot fee equals to fee. Okay, so we have created our setters for our instance variables. Now in our third slide, we have read that we can make our fields read only or write only. Now when we make the setters, the fields are only write only. We can only write our data to these fields. We cannot read data from them. We can only write them by using these setters. And when we make the getters, then we can only read data from the fields. We cannot write data to them. So in this way, we can make our fields read only or write only. These are the benefits of the encapsulation. Now I make the getters for these. I type here public string get name and return the name. Now public get roll number and return roll number here. Okay, so public int here. Now the third one was public int get fee and return fee. Okay, so this is the encapsulation. We have wrapped our instance variables and the implementations like the getters and setters in one box. And this is what we call the encapsulation. We can achieve the encapsulation by making our instance variables private and our getters and setters public so that we can access the values. So this is what we call the encapsulation. I hope you understand, and the benefits are, you can say, we can make our fields read only or write only, and definitely we have control over the fields in this class. So I hope you understand. If you feel any problem, then you can ask me a question definitely. So that's it for this video. I will see you in next video.